Hi, in this video we'll view how to create an email notification for an input alarm using the WIN-PAK software. We'll begin by opening our WIN-PAK software and now navigate under System, System Defaults, and we're going to go under Email Configuration, and we're going to configure our standard configuration. If we want to select Auto Login, select the username and password for your account, set up the hostname server for your email server, the port number it uses, and if you have any specific encoding, you can go ahead and select the encoding that you want. If not, just leave the default one that comes up. You can configure the email IDs as from where it's going to be sent, to whom it's going to be sent, and copy if you want to copy any extra email addresses in there. Once you have it configured, simply hit OK, hit Apply, and then OK. Once you have the email parameters configured, navigate under Configuration, Device Map. Select the panel where you wish to have this email sent out. In this case, we'll use a NetAccess 123. We're going to navigate under the Inputs tab. Select the input from which we want to receive an email notification. Go ahead and click where it says Edit. And then under the Abstract Device Record, go ahead and select Custom. And under Actions and Action, locate the input alarm action that you want. And you're going to go ahead and select the Send Email option. So this way, our input, if it goes into an alarm, it will send us an email notification. Once that is configured, simply go ahead and hit OK and OK. And now we have configured our input to send us an email if it goes into an alarm.